Hopefully this is a good distance. But here at the bottom, the comb is much darker. So we've had brood that has been hatched out of this comb already, but in there now is nectar. So they're making honey up here. And then this is up here at the top, that's all capped honey up there. So we've got nectar at the bottom, and then capped honey at the top.
You can't just...
This is my first year. I've never eaten.
We are just seeing your arm right there.
What?
When you were shining, we were just seeing your arm.
So anyway, I'm not taking this as the bottom line. That's their... I'm going to leave that for them. That's their stores.
Okay.
And it's not finished. Now when we inspected 2 weeks ago, that had brood in it. So it looks like the brood has hatched out of that, and they've reused it for honey. But when we inspected a couple of weeks ago, because it had brood in it, I'm not expecting to find anything except for nectar or brood going forward here. Right?
Right.
What the hell is that? It's down at the bottom. Shine the light.
That's like larva.
Larva? Okay. Cool. But see how straight these bars are? It wasn't until right at the end that these bees have been going offline. So next year I'll work on trying to get straighter comb from it. Brush, please. They're trying.
This is making me nervous just because there are so maybe I have to pick up this camera and shine it in on all of these bees that are, I don't know if you can see all of them. They're just like, they're not very happy with this. So.
I can just see my jacket, and there are stingers in it here and there. One actually made it through my jacket and stung me right in the stomach.
Oh.
So I figured it's time to
Smoke yourself.
Alright, that was a lot of smoke. But at this point, all I'm trying to do is get some bars to put back in.
I'm going to bring the camera back and look, because there's you just kind of see all the bees flying around.
Okay,
it's
honey?
Crazy. Yes.
This is the one we decided we were going to keep anything that was a candidate. I think it is now our single keeper for this.
Okay.
Take that. need that and a little knife. So this is one we're going to keep. Oh, baby.
I just want
That one's touching my finger. It's back. It's back. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm going to be glad to be done with this though. Because I'm so freaking hot. Honey, honey, oh baby.
Okay, moving you closer again.
I don't know if you can see up here, but this is an absolute madhouse on top of this hive now. We've got so many things going on. We've got the hive open. We've got open feeding happening right on the top bars. It's absolute mayhem, I tell you. There's one thing I want to do, and that's get these bars back in and restore a little bit of order.
Is that a sting?
No.
Okay.
It just feels creepy.
It does. It looks creepy. My sister's having nightmares if she sees this. Our friend Butch and Patty, they said their daughter wouldn't even stand near the monitor when they were watching this. So, Hannah, close your eyes. Okay, what can I do?
Now what I wonder is well, this thing should fit right on there. So I want to take this. And all of its glory. I'll show it to the camera first.
Here, let me
get a picture of that. So we got super soft comb here, and it fell off the bar. And this is all uncapped honey here. There was a little bit of capped here, but we're gonna give it back to the bees. It's a shame.
It is the same. But we're just going to slide it down below.
After the comments are all in, I'm guessing that the determination will be that's due to a rookie mistake on my part somehow.
Okay. And
but it is what it is. Let me get some of these bees off of here, right where the bars come down, so I kill fewer.
all right.
And we're going to call that good.
Okay, bye.
Well, let's bring the camera over to the bucket and show them what we got this time.
And that probably made Lynn sick. Okay.
So here's some girls enjoying, ooh, honey on the knife.
Okay, look at that. Oops, there's the string of it. So there's...
That's about as much as we took 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
So
a
couple bees in there.
Yay. All right. Well, that's the end of it. And hope you enjoyed our video. And I just wanted to show the grape arbor. Isn't that nice? And we actually have grapes. I'm going to walk you over. See? Our grapes are getting ripe. Or they're not ripe, but they're growing. And all the mayhem with the bees. And have a great day. Bye.